Max Sign In with Provider. Max, formerly known as HBO Max, allows users to sign in using their TV provider credentials. This method enables access to Max through cable, satellite, or digital service subscriptions. 1. Overview of provider sign-in. Max offers the option to sign in with participating TV providers, allowing subscribers to access the streaming service without paying an additional fee. This feature is available for those whose providers include Max in their package. Second steps to sign in with a provider. To sign in using a TV provider, follow these steps. Step 1. Open the Max app or go to the Max website. Step 2. Click on the Sign In button. Step 3. Select Sign In with the provider from the available options. Step 4. Choose your TV provider from the list. Step 5. Enter your TV provider account credentials, username and password. Step 6. Follow any additional verification steps if prompted. Step 7. Once signed in, you can start streaming Max content. Third list of participating providers. Max partners with various cable, satellite, and digital providers, including major companies such as Xfinity DirecTV, Spectrum, Cox, Verizon, FIOs, AT&T Uverse. Optimum dish availability may vary, so users should check with their provider to confirm access. 4. Troubleshooting sign-in issues. If users face issues signing in with a provider, they can try the following solutions. Ensure the TV provider includes Max in the subscription. Verify the correct provider credentials are being used. Restart the app or web browser and try again. Clear cache and cookies if signing in via a web browser. Contact the TV provider for assistance with account-related issues. 5. Switching to a different provider. Users who change their TV provider can update their sign-in details by signing out and selecting a new provider upon re-login. If the new provider does not include Max, a direct subscription may be required. 6. Limitations of provider sign-in. Not all TV providers support Max access. Some features, such as offline downloads, may not be available for provider-linked accounts. Provider-based access may not include all Max subscription benefits depending on the provider's agreement. 7. Alternative sign-in methods. For users without a participating TV provider, Max offers direct subscriptions through its website, app stores, and streaming service bundles, such as Hulu or YouTube TV. In conclusion, signing in with a provider is a convenient way to access Max for those whose TV subscription includes the service. If provider sign-in is unavailable, users can explore alternative subscription options to continue enjoying Max content.